Okay, as you can see, we're getting to a Play-Doh kind of texture now, and we're just going to knead this last little bit in. If it's still sticking to your fingers, add a little dusting of flour. If it's still a bit dry, add a little bit of water. And we're going to put this one side and just put a warm cloth over the top for it to rise. And this is where, of course, a glass of wine. Okay, so while your dough is busy raising, we'll just get our ingredients together for your toppings. With the virus around at the moment, garlic's always a good thing, keeps people away from you. So we're going to make a basic garlic pizza, which is often as a starter in any restaurant or pizzeria. So you just need some fresh garlic, you know, be chopped up in some olive oil, some chopped onions, olive oil, and some salt, and then your fresh rosemary. Obviously, if you don't have fresh herbs, you can use dried herbs at the moment. Okay, so we've got our garlic prep done. Now we're just going to do the prep for the margherita, the base. All I've got here is a tin of Italian chopped tomatoes and a small tin of tomato paste. Just bomb that in together, mix it through. About a teaspoon of sweet basil, teaspoon of oregano, and if you like, obviously, a little bit more garlic. When it comes to the cheese, the blend that we like to use is pretty much a 70-30 mix of mozzarella and cheddar. Mix that all together, just gives it a flavour different to other pizzas out there. And then when it comes to the toppings, it's up to you. We're just going to do the bacon and banana. Okay, so our dough is now raised a bit, and we now need to break off the dough to make our balls. You're looking at about a 200 gram ball. I won't not do them all at the same time. We're looking at about 200 grams, and then just work them into balls, which you're going to put one side to raise again before we actually then roll them out into pizza bases. There we go. There's one. Okay, there's your dough balls ready to be rolled out into pizza bases in about 20 minutes or so. And at this stage, just put a damp cloth over again just to keep them moist and not dry out. And you can turn your oven on to 200 degrees on thermofan and electric oven.